Hey everybody, we are in Dublin, Texas. We're starting out in this little park. It has a interesting old building, the Barbie Turnbow Cabin, 1855. So that's an old building. And we have the well right here. And next to this is the old grist mill. It was built in the 1880s. Nice facade. Beautiful old building. It has their own historical marker right here. Built in 1882. And it was restored in the 1980s. Here's the other side of it. Very cool. All right, let's go check out this town. Here's a sad sight to see, a derelict building. It's kind of fallen to pieces. So that's sad to see. But I see barbecue pits in the back, so I'm guessing they still use that space. You got the Thompson's Custom Meats right here. That might explain the barbecue pits. And right ahead of us is the Dublin Bottling Works. They're kind of known for their soda. We'll take a look at that. Oh, it doesn't look like they're open today. Darn. Right over here is the train depot, so let's go check that out. Here it is, the train depot. It may be in renovation. Looks like all the permits are in the front of the building. Hopefully it's being renovated. It's not a very old depot, but it's still very much intact. It's got all the hallmarks of a depot with those little architectural pieces right there holding up the roof. Very nice. You got the little bays for loading and unloading. And here's the tracks. Okay. All right. Let's fast forward back into town. Okay, we're back into town. Here's a look at the bottling company. This must be, yeah, this looks like it's not, this looks pretty old. That's probably just a museum on this part. So very cool though. And nice little mural. I think they bottled Dr. Pepper for a while. Yeah. That's right, Dublin Dr. Pepper Bottling Company. There you go. And you got the old Doc's Soda Shop, home of the Dublin Dr. Pepper Museum. Okay, so there's a couple of buildings right here. There's another museum right here. There's Hogan's Alley. Well, I'm gonna have to get a Dr. Pepper before leaving this town. Now let's explore some more. There's the Dublin Insurance Agency. And we got their tattoo studio and Mexican restaurant, El Canugas. And right across the street from here we have just a couple of buildings, a little vape shop, and so we're going to continue on this side for a little bit. There's Blackjack's, a little coffee coffee shop. And here is Things Celtic. They moved to Elgin, so they're no longer here in Dublin. So we can cross the street. Is there anything to see over here? You got this nice old building from 1909. This little road is blocked off, so we can walk in the middle and check it out. So these buildings, this one doesn't even have a roof. Nor does the one next to it. Has a door but no roof. Realty place. You got this building that's lost its roof, maybe under renovation. And they got a jewelry store here. And we have another little museum over here, the Dublin Historical Museum. It looks like it's free to tour. It is not open right now, which is a bummer. That takes us where we all started. The Wright Historic Area. All right, everybody, thanks for coming along with me on this short tour of Dublin, Texas. I'm guessing it was the home of Dr. Pepper. Very nice town. Definitely things to see. There's good restaurants and just about everything you need. Historic sites and all the sugar water you can drink, all that good old Dr. Pepper. So thanks everybody for coming on with me, and I will see y'all next time. And remember, you're all dearly loved.